front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard icon at the top of it. Then, to switch it on, use this switcher at the top right corner. And to go back to standard keyboard, click on this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. And to paste it, click on it at the top of your keyboard. You can also paste it later on by clicking on Clipboard and clicking on it here. To pin one of your added sentences, use this pen at the top right corner. Tap on one of your sentences or multiple and use pin icon. You can unpin them the same way. To delete them though, click on the pen again, tap on the chosen ones and use pin icon next to the pin one. Last but not least, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!